Hey everyone, Valar here. Today I'll show you how to enable co-creation in Roblox Studio. I've loaded the game. Click View here. Click Team Create, save to Roblox, name it, and check the Team Create box. Hit Save. The game will restart. Now in-game, we have a tab for View and Team Create. There's a tab here. Click the three dots. Here we see Team Create. Next, add someone to work with. There's a button top right. Click it to add a collaborator. I'll add myself. Like this. Click What can they do? Here. When they join, you can give edit permissions. To join, they go to Roblox, then Create. They'll see games shared with them, including yours. Thanks for watching. This was Vela. Bye everyone.